Hey everyone, in this video we're going to compare the iPhone 17 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 cameras. We'll cover ultra-wide shots, daylight, and night mode. This video is recorded in 4K at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 comes with two 48 megapixel cameras on the back, one main and one ultra-wide. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 has three cameras on the back, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 17 footage looks more natural and sharper. So let's jump right into the ultra-wide video. Here's the ultra-wide video at 4K, 60 frames per second. The iPhone 17 captures colors that are more true to life, and the details are incredibly crisp. Let's move on to the low light video comparison. The iPhone 17 details in low light are very sharp. Let's move on to the daylight and low light photos. The iPhone 17 camera truly stands out with its natural colors and sharp details. Which one do you think looks better? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.